Supreme Court today also heard various petitions on Jammu and Kashmir, and they have allowed Mehbooba Mufti's daughter's petition to meet her mother when she asked also for permission to move around in Kashmir. However, the Chief Justice said, why do you want to move around? It's cold there right now. That was said informally. The Attorney General, meanwhile, said that they didn't feel that Mehbooba Mufti's daughter should have brought this to court. The Supreme Court said, why not? As a citizen, she's entitled to. So she's been allowed to meet her mother after she asked permission from the district magistrate. Also, Sitaram Yechury's fellow CPIM MLA will now be brought to Delhi to AIIMS for medical treatment.
Mehbooba Mufti's daughter Iltija will finally be allowed to meet her in Kashmir. The Supreme Court responded to her petition today, saying she can go when she chooses. Iltija had said she had not been allowed out of her house until August 22nd, when she flew out to Chennai, and had not been allowed to see her mother since she was detained on the 5th of August. Will you be standing in the way of this woman meeting her mother? Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi asked the centre's lawyer, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta. Mr. Mehta said no. When the Solicitor General said the government said it objected to the use of this forum, the Chief Justice replied, it is the privilege of every citizen. As far as Iltija's movements in Srinagar are concerned, the court said she can do so subject to the permission of the authorities. At one point, the Chief Justice also remarked, why do you need to move around? It is very cold in Srinagar. The court also ordered CPM leader Muhammad Yusuf Tarigami to be shifted from Srinagar to AIIMS in Delhi, after the bench went through the affidavit filed by the CPM's Sitaram Yechury.
I met him to inquire about his health.
Mr. Yechury met Tarigami in Kashmir last week after the court's orders. The court has also sought the centre's reply on Yechury's plea that Tarigami has been illegally detained. The other key petition was the one filed by Kashmir Times editor Anuradha Bhasin. She said it had been 31 days since the communication blockade in Kashmir, leading to an information black hole. The court issued notices to the centre and the state. The case will now be heard on the 16th of this month. During the hearing, the Attorney General said step-by-step relaxations of curbs are being taken and that 80% of landlines have been restored.
Whatever is incorporated in
the Kashmiri student who met his family at Anantnag after court orders doesn't want to share more details.
I have also been very reprimanded in my home. I went to visit my family. They're also very apprehensive about the whole situation. So they also advise me to be careful with what you say and do. And the matter will be come up on the 16th.
For the moment, it seems the government has got some more time to deal with the contentious issues. However, questions involving restrictions, personal liberty, will be heard by the top court on September 16th. In New Delhi with Sukirti Dwivedi, this is Arunachalam Vaidyanathan, NDTV.